Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off mobile data in our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To turn it off, we need to go to Settings, now Mobile Network here, then Mobile Data, it's turned on. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box here and mobile data is now disabled. Alternatively, we can do it faster by swiping from the top right. We have shortcut menu right here. To turn mobile data off, we simply tap this little function here and now it's turned off. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.